Good morning, my name is Ron Morris. This is Moving Forward TV, your local real estate and mortgage update.
And I am DeLynn Gaston. Thanks for joining us today. Today's show, we are going to talk about the HARP program.
You mean the new and improved HARP program?
The new and improved HARP program. As you all know out there, HARP stands for the Home Affordable Refinance Program.
Do you really think they all know that?
Okay, as you may or may not know out there, it stands for the Home Affordable Refinance Program. Now, the reason we're talking about this is there's a new program that's out there that has just been, the Obama administration has been talking about a lot lately, and we wanted to kind of like give some highlights. Now, the program that was in place did have some struggles with it, and it had some issues. Challenges to it. So we kind of wanted to go over what that was. The program was originally designed to help people refinance into these low interest rates that we've been enjoying over the last couple of years, actually, even though they had either little or no equity in their home. The program was actually supposed to help upwards of like 5 million something people in the country, but
I think year to date it's helped less than 900,000, and about 72,000 of those people are ones that are upside down in it. So although the program had great intentions, it just didn't help nearly the amount of people that it was expected to.
Fell a little short, just a little.
Okay, one of the biggest challenges of the HARP program, of course, is equity or lack thereof. If you're more than 25% upside down, you would not be able to qualify previously for the HARP program.
Let's face it, this is Florida. Even my doghouse is more than 25% upside down right now. So the government, doing what they do best, change, has revisited the HARP program so that they can make it better, and they have.
Now the program is not quite out yet. We're being told we should have more information around mid-November.
Right.
We're hearing that the program should be up and running by the first of the year. As soon as we know more information, of course, we're going to share it with everybody out there.
Okay, so let's take a look at some of the things that we do know about the program, or at least the things that we think we know about the program. Okay, the first one, the biggie, is no appraisals whatsoever will be required. That means that whole 25% equity thing out the window. Regardless, you could be 100% upside down in your house. Supposedly, they're still going to consider it.
You know, if that really happens, that's going to help a tremendous amount of people. So we really hope that the end result of that will be that way. Another guideline is very less extensive underwriting guidelines. If you've had a prior blemish in your credit, you should, in theory, still be eligible for this program.
Speaking of blemishes, however, though, they are still keeping in place that you have to be current on your mortgage. Now, I've read two things. I've read for the last 6 months you have to be current, and I've also read for the last 12. I'm going to go with the last 12 months, more likely than not, that you have to be current on your mortgage.
Another guideline is that the loan itself has to be owned by Fannie Mae or Freddie Mac prior to June of '09.
Right.
Now, if you want, and pretty much that's most loans out there outside of government loans. Most of them out there are owned by Freddie or Fannie. You can click on the link down below to determine if your property is owned by Fannie or Freddie.
Fannie Mae lookup or Freddie Mac lookup, we have a link right here.
And just another note on that, basically if you've purchased your home in what, July of '09 or forward, you're not going to qualify for this program.
Okay, now the underlying hope here on the HARP program is that this is going to help lots of homeowners save hundreds of dollars, you know, $2, $3, $4, or $5, maybe $100 a month on their mortgage payments so that they can use that money to go to the mall.
Help stimulate the economy. That's what we're lacking right now.
Go to the mall, go on vacation, go buy a car, go buy a motorcycle, whatever you want. The more that people are spending out there, it boosts the whole economy. All businesses benefit from that, and that's what the hope is.
And as soon as we get more information available that it's coming out from our lenders and different sources, of course we're going to share it with everybody out there.
Stay tuned to Moving Forward TV. Ironically enough, the name of the show, because we're moving forward. Okay, on the bright side, we, being here in Florida, for a change, are not at the top of the bad list or the bottom of the good list.
For a change.
For a change.
Top 5 states in the country for underwater mortgages. First is Nevada at 65%. Number 2 is Arizona at 51%. 3, here we are, at Florida is 47%. Michigan,
under 50, nice.
Under 50 for a change. Michigan came in at 4 at 36%. California rounded out the top 5 at 32%.
So what are we going to do? Well, what are you going to do? See our show, what, a couple weeks ago, like maybe 2 weeks ago, I think we did a show about your options and what you have. If you are upside down in your house, you know, the biggest thing is don't be afraid of change. There are some options out there for you. We did a show about it. There's modifications, there's short sales, there's definitely things. You know what? Change means that you're moving forward with your life.
Not a bad thing.
And that's a good thing. Okay, as a side note, if you happen to have $28 million that
and who doesn't?
Not doing anything with these days, Katharine Hepburn's summer home up in Old Saybrook, Connecticut is up for sale for a mere $28 million. That is, of course, if you can put up with the nor'easters that they get in October. I'm guessing right now the house doesn't have any power.
Think she qualifies for the HARP program?
She might.
She's upside down?
I don't know. Maybe she's underwater on that house. Not sure. Anyway, that's our show. We appreciate you watching it. Please feel free. This is our team over here. We use these people to get all of these deals done and closed, and you need them as well. So
and reach out to us if you have any questions about the HARP program.
Yes.
Of course, as we get more information, we're going to relay that to everybody, needless to say. In the meantime, if you have any questions, any buyers that we can help you with, again, that's what we do the show for. Email us, Facebook us,
that's right.
Reach out, let us know if we can help you put those people in those homes.
Thanks so much for watching. We are today and every day.
Moving forward, we'll see everybody next week.
Bye-bye.
Scooter? Yeah, Chief? Remind me to stop setting up these video conferences. They're not very productive.
You got it.
Sheesh.